In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your car battery. In your car battery, you will have a cover on top of the positive one. So take out this cover and then make sure you have the right tools, right sockets. So make sure you use this one, otherwise you might strip these nuts. So use the right one to remove it, and then you may want to remove this one too. And now take out this one and do the same here. So this is number 10, this is number 12. Almost all cars use standard nuts and bolts, so 10 and 12 should work. So take out these ones, and now you need to take out one of these. So now I'm going to take out this battery. Okay, this is my older battery. You can see this is group 35, 550 amps, and this is my new one. You need to get exactly the same group, that is 35, but this one is cold clamp amp is 640. This is a little better than this one. So I'm going to put this cover. So make sure positive goes the way it was before, that's on the left here, and then should be like this. So there are two holes there. If you look at here, there's one here, one here. So we should be using this one. Before I put these clamps back in, I'm going to just, this is the metal brush, I'm going to clean this up. Always wear a protective glove when you work on batteries. So this is number 10. So now I'm going to connect my negative. When you work on it, never put something, metal things that touches from here to there. That will, basically give you shock. 12 voltage is pretty significant, I would say. It's not low voltage. Yeah, everything looks good. Let's go and start the car. You need to return this old battery where you bought the new battery. They will give you some money, because when you buy a new battery, they withhold about $15 to $20. When you return this older battery, they are going to give you that money back. So make sure you recycle this battery. So if this video is informative to you, give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification.